What up, people? Good afternoon. So I'm all dressed up and I'm going out right now. I want to go and see my auntie and also to collect a particular file document somewhere. Okay, very close. Okay, so let's us go. Okay, the car is clean today. All right, so let me look for the key and bring it out. Yep. All right, guys, so how was your day? Mine was busy in the office, you know, editing, supervising, and oops, oh my god, the car is hot though. All right, so you've not seen my auntie. You've not seen this particular auntie of mine that I want to go and see today. So you're going to be seeing her. It's not my, not the one you saw a day before yesterday. This one is another different auntie. Okay, it seems this my lashes is not well placed, but nonetheless it's okay. Let's go. So this is actually one of the dresses that I got from Fashionista. I have made the video already, which, you know, I showed you guys the dresses I got from her. I hope to be able to, you know, post the video first before posting this vlog, alright? But yeah, I hope this guy is around today because I don't want to go and open the gate today. I just hope. Okay, he's around. Well done, Paul. Good afternoon. I mean, wouldn't there be a day that I'll just be in the office, at home, just doing my stuff, like not going out at all? Because I mean, I'm always going out like every day these days. I don't know why, because even if I don't want to go out, like today I didn't even want to go out. I just wanted to be inside and all of that. But my cousin called me that my auntie is around. I have to come and see her. Of course, you know, someone came all the way from Lagos, although she's been in Abuja for some while, but she didn't come around this side. So I just have to go and see her and say, and you know, pay respect, you know, like that. As a good girl now, you just don't ignore elder when they call on you and be like, hey, I need you to come around, and you be like, oh no, I'm a big girl. No, I don't do that. I have to honor whatsoever. I just honor that, all right? Because I need my own children to respect me, so I have to respect elders, all right? Not just my children only, like my extended family and all of that. So in life, what you actually give is what you receive, okay? If you give respect, you receive it. If you give disrespect, you definitely receive it somehow or somehow. All right, you might not really know how you're gonna receive it, but you definitely receive it. But that's basically it, Sha. Oh my goodness, why are you doing this thing now? Oh my god. Okay, they're actually filling the road. I'm so happy that they're doing this, at least filling the road so that it will be straight, not boo like the way it used to be. But the best thing that they would do that would make it long lasting is to put this little small rock, gravels or whatever they call it, yeah, gravels. That's what will make it last long. It seems this estate, they purchased the estate. Look at that estate there. Okay, some other person bought the estate, so the person is actually repairing the road. That person is a good nigga. before I come back today, my car will be dirty. Oh my god, every day. Alright guys, so we're gonna be talking again soon. Bye guys. Alright guys, so I'm here and I just want to surprise them with my camera. I'm not inside yet, so let me put my phone inside and just go inside with this camera. Let's go. Look at them.
Please know what you're doing.
Look at. They were waiting to see you.
Hey, are you? Okay. Hello. Hello. She has
arrived from Lagos. I told you guys she has been around, but she actually didn't come around. My mama is here. Look at her beautiful face.
I've been taking care of my grandson. I actually want to give him a second bath for the day. I want to massage, calm him, and the level. Thank you.
Well, how was your journey now?
So my journey was very good.
Okay.
I've been in Abuja for some days now.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Having great fun.
Abuja is cold though compared to Lagos.
It's only in the morning that it's cold, in the afternoon it's hot.
Madam, baby, it doesn't matter. How is your baby? You're always representing her. Then say make I hail you. You're always representing.
My baby is fine. Mine just finished eating and he's sleeping.
Okay guys, so let me just have my time here and we're gonna be talking again soon. Alright guys, so here I'm starting this vlog at home. Yep, and I am loving this one. African top with the scarf, and yup, because she is putting on the red lipstick, so I have to put on my own red lipstick. You know that? Of course, so we can be beautiful together. Alright, so I am an African woman and we alright, so if you're an African person right now watching me, let's sing the song together. It goes like this. Let me tell you how it goes. It goes like this. We are Africans. We are Africans. Africans are who? Alright, so sing the song with me. 1 to go. We are Africans. We are Africans. Louder. Louder. Africans are who? Alright guys, so I'm just super excited. Although I'm set, like finished dressing up, you know, taking my breakfast stroke lunch, and I'm heading out to a particular office, and I need to see a particular lawyer for a particular thing, you know. So I'll be taking you guys with me. Oops, let's go. Okay, alright, so sometimes when I just change a particular handbag, for me to change it again to another handbag, like I have numerous handbags, but for me to change it again is usually a problem. Before I misplace this thing, let me take it back to my makeup box, alright? So I won't have to misplace it. Alright, so all set and done, and I am leaving right now. Alright, so let's go. How are you guys doing, and how is your day? How has your week been? For mine, it has been good. It has been a blessed day, blessed week, though some days are like very, you know, some days can be like lonely, bored and all of that stuff, but yeah, I still kick on, I still ride on, I still move on. Like no dull moments, guys, like honestly. So let's go before the time is fast spent though, but there is still little remaining, so let's use that little and go outside to the car. What up guys? Okay, why is that light on? Alright, so I was wondering why the old door was not locked, because when I put this steering on, when I put it on drive, it should automatically lock all the door. Alright, so I want to buy tomato. I've called the lady, she's coming. So I want to add, since this year I've actually not done a review on a product, so I want to go and get a cream that I'm going to be doing a review on. How much?
Give me 800.
800.
How much?
For now, with tomato don't boku.
How much?
No, like 400 now.
400 money, no reach. Let's hear.
500 last.
Give me 600.
Now 500. Now I quit tomato fala.
Amen.
One and pepper. So you can get, look at the tomato. Wait. Let me help her. Alright, so you have to be a good person. Despite the fact that you want to buy tomato, doesn't mean that I have to just be inside the car and, you know, have her do everything. So I just had to go and help her out. So let me go and check what she's doing. Otherwise, you can't trust anybody because she might not put all of them for me. So let me just go and check what she's doing. So I needed to go to Fashionista's boutique so I can also get some underwear. Okay, because I need to like change some underwear. All right, so I'm actually heading there. At first I needed to go to the ATM. I've even passed there. I have to turn back. Open. Pepper, no plenty. So give me change. Don't need change. Now the problem now go to that. See the one where I get. Now let this one be that with this one. Call bike people now. Or if I give you this one, I see the same. Okay. Alright guys, so I'll be back. I'll talk to you guys later. Alright?